Hey guys, it is May 2022 and I, like most of you, also suffered personally, seriously from the 2 years of strictly enforced government measures in relation to the Covid-19 pandemic. So I also suffered from the economic consequences. It was quite difficult to earn money. I suffered from the worsening family and social relations. I decided early in the pandemic to spend my time in Africa, because in Africa things are more relaxed. Here the government also tried various measures, so they also did a lockdown. However, it lasted only a couple of weeks, because here the governments, they realized that you cannot enforce a lockdown of many months or even longer. Here the people have much more serious issues to deal with and to worry about. So here people struggle and fight to earn just a little bit of money to pay their food and to support their family. Question that I want to ask in this video: why is it that in most of the countries in Africa the number and the percentage of people who died from the COVID-19 virus is substantially lower than the percentage of people who died in Western countries? And that despite the fact that here the vaccination percentages, they are unbelievable low. They are in most countries not getting over 10%, and they are not even getting over 5% in many African countries. So what is the reason? There's various logical reasons. First of all, here the population is more younger. There's not such a high percentage of the population who is part of the risk category, the elderly people. Also, people tend to live, except for the big mega cities, they tend to live more separate from each other in the countryside. But the most important reason why is the percentage of people dying from COVID-19 in Africa substantially lower, is that here people tend to eat more real food. Real food, what does that mean? I hear you thinking. I think also right now many of our children in Western countries, they will absolutely have no idea of what real food is. If you look at a country in Europe, UK for example, more than 60% of the things we buy and put in our mouths right now, it is processed food. In Africa, where I am, it is very hard to find processed food. Of course it is there in the supermarket, but for example it is very hard to find a McDonald's, a Burger King, Kentucky Fried Chicken, things like this. Here people, they have to follow the tradition to grow their own food. So they grow their own corn, their beans, their vegetables, and also grow their own chicken. Here people are also not vegetarians or vegans. Here people understand and know very well that you need in your nutrition, you need animal fat and animal protein.